Hey guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you are good wherever you're watching me from. In case today is the first time you're coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Ollie. Please do well to subscribe, check my other videos, turn on your bell, okay, for notifications anytime I upload a video so that you get notified, right? Okay, so you're welcome. So in today's video I want to unbox something. Okay, first of all I want to film a video, right? But in case you see me with this clothes, okay, I am here to film a video, okay, but I need to unbox these microphones, two of them. So I have to actually, okay, so I want to unbox it then film my video, right? So but this is going to be a separate video, okay? Yeah, let's just do that quickly, no need to talk too much. Okay, so first of all I have a mic, as you can see, okay, but this is like, it's not wireless, right? I've been looking for wireless microphone because using this type of mic, the one I'm using now, is like, it's restrictive, like you can't use it to, you know, walk around, okay? And you know, whenever I sit down to film, I sit very close to my camera, to my phone, yeah, because of the wire. You see, I need to stay close so that you go. Okay, so but yeah, I saw this one. I got this one from Shein. This is a wireless lavalier. I hope that's correct. Lavalier microphone. Okay, so I got this one. I put this particular one in the basket, right? I don't know how my husband added another one. Okay, so now I have two microphones. Like, I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with the two of them. Okay, so first of all, we'll go with this. This is my favorite. Oh, okay, let's unbox this first. So this one is just wireless microphone. I don't even know the brand. Okay, China something something. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is what we have. All right, I don't even know how these things work. Oh wow, this looks nice. Oh, but it's small. Can you see? Yeah, small. Then we have this pin. I think this one is the indicator or something like that. You're going to attach it to the phone. All right, then this should be for charging it. Okay, so we are going to try them all. We're going to try them. Let me leave the charger. I don't know if it is charged or not, but yeah, so this would be like oh, it's on now. I just turned it on. See the light blinking. Just turned it on. Okay, where do I put this? The pin. This pin should, okay, the pin will be here. So the pin, I don't know how. So I'm going to look at this, okay, to know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix this, to be honest, but then I think this pin is going to be somewhere here, this way, like this. I hope I'm correct. Yeah, I got it. I got it. I hope so, because I don't want to spoil this thing. Oh. So it's going to be here. Then you pin it to your cloth. Then attach this one to the phone. It will indicate whether it is plugged right or not. So this is number one. Okay, mic 1. Let's open mic 2. Okay, after I open them, we'll check. So wow, see the packaging. Lavalier. Okay, so this one just has, oh wow, okay, yeah, See, the pin is already attached to it, okay? I don't need to do that. And this is the indicator. It's just the same thing with the other one. Just spent money buying this microphone. Oh my goodness. I can't even remember the amount, but I think this particular one I'm holding is around £6. When I check the price, I'll put it on the screen, okay? So it has a charger as well. All right, I'll just put it back into this box. Yeah, so we have this now, the indicator, the mic. So we are going to check it, right? We're going to check. Let's check the audio. We're going to, I hope this one comes up because, okay, it's up, it's on now. Can you see? It's on. So, because I need to check it before charging or anything, right? So now you've seen me film with this one that is not wireless, and you've seen the audio. You've heard the audio of this video. I'm going to try this lavalier microphone. Let's hear the audio, okay? So guys, I've been trying to fix the mic, the two of them, but no way. Ooh, I think this lighting is too much. See my skin now. My skin is popping. Wait, let me reduce it. Ooh. So I've been trying to set the microphones, but it's not working, okay? See, I have tried, but I don't have time anymore. I need to film my video because I have a lot to do today, okay? So, yeah, this is the lavalier. This is the lavalier microphone, okay? This is the lavalier. I beg you. So, and this one is the other one. Anyway, from what I understood, I've checked my setting, and of course, because I'm using microphone, meaning that I allowed microphone on my camera, right? So it is not the fault, like I don't know what is going on. So maybe when I finish filming this video, anytime I have the chance, okay, because anytime I have the chance, I will just search and know how I can be able to fix it. But then, yeah, I will tell you, when I fix it, I'm going to make a video, or I'll use a voice note, okay? The next clip you're going to see now. Imagine me filming with 3 microphones. I'll go on a radio station. Shasha, just watch the next clip to see how this mic works, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Keep watching, don't go anywhere, because the next clip you're going to see now will be the clip where I test run these microphones, okay? Hey people, so I was able to sort the mic issue out, okay? This video has been long overdue, I know, but then it is what it is, okay? So yeah, right now I'm using the lavalier mic for this recording, okay? So I didn't have to search anything. I even saw one video that said I should download an app, Kinecon, for me to be able to use the mic, but I didn't do any of those. What I did was, with the help of my husband, of course, I went to my settings, okay? So when I got to my settings, I went to Bluetooth. I attached the screen recording, right? I went to Bluetooth. Then you see this OTG here. I enabled it, okay? See, can you see that? So after enabling it, of course, before now you have attached your indicator to your phone and turned the mic on. So when you go to this OTG and enable it, your mic will show green, meaning that it is now connected, right? So that was all I did, okay? So like I said, I'm doing this recording with the lavalier mic, and it is just the same with the second mic. I think the same quality, nothing, there's not much difference at all. I can say the only difference is just the size. The lavalier mic is bigger, sort of, whereas this one looks a bit small, okay? But then the both of them are actively working. Two of them are working perfectly fine, okay? You'll be seeing them in my subsequent videos, all right? Thank you for watching. So in case if you're having any issue, if you buy lavalier mic or any of those Chinese whatever microphone, so you can just go to your Bluetooth and turn on your OTG. Yeah, if you are using Android, I'm using Android though. So I don't know for other, other type of phones, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.